Diary system of reservation. In diary reservation system, the hotel maintains a diary in which the name of the guest is written as per the date of arrival. All guests from whom reservation request is received is enlisted onto the respective page of the diary date-wise. Diary system is only used in small hotels. The tools required for the operation of the diary system are Room Status Board or RSB. When a reservation request is made, first the RSB is checked to see room availability for the requested month. Advanced Letting Chart, also referred as ALC. Here, the room status can be known against the requested period of a particular month. Room Reservation Form, or known as RR Form, is used to record all necessary and important information regarding the prospective guest by the reservation assistant. Hotel Diary or Booking Diary. It is used by the reservation section to record all necessary and relevant information regarding the prospective guest for the purpose of processing. Movement List or Expected Arrival List is a tool by which the reservation section intimates front desk and other departments about the arrival of the next day. We will now see stepwise the reservation procedure followed in diary reservation system. Once the reservation request is received, the room status board and the advanced reservation chart is checked for room availability. In case the reservation section accepts the reservation request, the advanced reservation chart and room status board gets updated. The room reservation form is then filled up with the relevant information. An entry is made in the booking diary as per the arrival date of the guest. The movement list is prepared thereafter for the following day and is distributed to housekeeping, front desk, general manager, room service and food and beverage manager. Disadvantages of diary system. There are certain disadvantages to the diary reservation system due to which it is not used much in medium and big hotels. Reservation cannot be made far in advance in the diary system of reservation. The booking diary is bulky, so it is difficult to handle and cannot be maintained neatly. The entries in the diary cannot be made in an alphabetical order. Guest status cannot be known at a glance from the diary. The diary system is not a scientific system because if a page is lost, then the entire information on the page is also lost. Diary system cannot be used in large hotels because of limited availability of space on each page. Cancellation and amendments become difficult as entries are made permanently on the diary pages.